Good morning, guys. So it's day 2 in Portland. I'm sorry that I didn't film everything last night. I was just so tired. We were up for a really long time, and by the end of it I was just so tired I just couldn't do anything. After we went to the tulip farm, which was incredible, and did the painting class, we came back to the hotel, we ate, and I knocked out. But today is a new day and I'm excited. We're probably gonna go to Multnomah Falls and maybe check out other falls nearby, but I wanted to show you the view from the hotel room. We're in the Hilton, which is in downtown Portland. All right, so let's go explore Portland. Our first stop is at Horsetail Falls. This looks absolutely incredible. Check this out. So I'm now hiking up to the viewpoint. I guess it's almost a mile up. The bottom of the falls was so nice. The water was freezing. And it was more than just like a light mist. It was like it was raining, but so invigorating to be down there. Now let's see how it looks from higher up. Here, hearing the birds, walking on the trail and looking at the view. I love it. I wish there were more, or I wish there were mountains in Florida that you can hike. There's just a couple state parks that have good hiking spots, but not like this. Give up on my way home, yeah. It smells so good out here. I love nature. Absolutely crazy. I am getting soaked. So I know it's freezing, but I ended up getting an ice cream cone because everybody that had one, it made me jealous and I wanted one. So what was this? Stop number 3 or 4?
3. Waterfall number 3 at least.
Waterfall number 3. Stop number 4. Waukena Falls. Last stop of the day has epic views. That's an elevator?
That's ingenious.
A Canadian company specializes in elevators for
historical restoration.
Yeah, exactly.
That's wonderful. it. Because I was like, where's the elevator?
We're going down. Whoa.
She just said it was going to be bumpy.
Bumpy and dark. That should be, oh. Oh my gosh. That sounded really scary. Yeah, next year is gonna be what, 100 years?